Hey guys, in today's video, I got to tell you, this video started out with ACiQ taking a long time on one of my orders, but they sent me an upgrade on my air conditioner to help make up for that. And the system they sent me, I got to tell you, is my absolute favorite. The best one of the best air conditioners I've ever installed. I'll give you an example. When mini splits came out, or since they've been heating with no heat strips all these years, we've been saying, oh, can you please make a condenser like that for residential air conditioners for unitary systems? That started happening 7, 8, 10 years ago, something like that. And the first one I installed was a Reflex. And in that one, in that first install, I thought, man, wouldn't it be great if you could make an air handler that's 120 volts so I could replace a furnace without having to rewire the house for 240 volts or for heat strips. Well, today, guys, I'm going to introduce you to that very system. This air handler runs off 120 or 240 volts, and it don't need heat strips. To me, this is game changing. It really is. Stay tuned.
Yeah. You just got to get that out of there?
Y'all gonna need a condensate pump, aren't you?
It's got one in there.
Well, I'll get you another one. All right, so we're gonna foam this, get a new pump, and I'm gonna walk outside real quick. Okay, he's already got the condenser out. That's the one that had multiple problems. Everything was really dirty. It was out of refrigerant. It was 20 something years old. My job right now is to go get them some foam board, mastic, a new condensate pump, make sure they have everything they need, and I'll be right back. Just put this on right here. This is the indoor unit. Man, we are really producing some cold air. Might need to seal that up. There's something special about this air handler that this is the first one I've seen like this. Let me see if I can get this is the ACiQ 24AHD. Combined with a condenser, it does not need heat strips. And this air handler can be either 120 volts or 240, which makes it a great option for replacing a furnace when you only have 120 volts in the closet, because you don't need to rewire for heat strips. It don't need heat strips. That is fantastic. Surge protector, new disconnect. Now we need a line set cover. It's right here. We're not completely done. That's really all that we're lacking, is putting on the line set cover. This thing is super quiet. Like I was saying, that air handler combined with this heat pump, this is ACiQ 24 EHPD, does not need heat strips. We had to wire this one with 24 volt with Y1 and Y2 because we didn't have the communication cable. But you still don't need heat strips. We happen to have them in this one, but having an air handler that can be 120 volts means that we can put heat pumps in houses that have a furnace and a straight cool air conditioner without having to rewire the house. You might have to pull a thermostat wire, but that's it. maybe you redo a plenum or something, but you don't have to hire an electrician to come pull like a number 6 copper wire for your heat strips because you don't need them. It's fantastic. I've been waiting on this kind of technology for years and years, and finally it's here. Now, if you're a contractor, you understand the importance of this product. It means that we can upgrade our customers who have a furnace and straight cool to a heat pump if they want. And around here, we have a lot of customers who are afraid of gas heat. They want a heat pump, they want all electric, but the additional cost of having to upgrade the electrical makes it prohibitive. This system solves that problem. It is what? I'll be honest, the first Reflex I installed, I almost took apart an old air handler, put in a new coil, and put in a 120 volt motor just so I can make something like this. I like it. ACiQ is not paying me to say this. That is the best system I've installed in probably yet. I really like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, how about like and subscribe? If you like ACiQ products, you want to be a dealer, check out the links in the description, and I'll catch you on the next one.